Important differences between car tools. Autodoc. Common types of spanners and wrenches. Combination spanners. On one side of the tool, there's an open end head. On the other side, there's a ring head. To make it easy to use, the ring head has an offset angle of 15 degrees in relation to the spanner shaft. The special characteristic of combination spanners is that both the open end and the ring heads are the same size. The ring head's range of use is limited. The open end head, on the other hand, is great for working with hard-to-reach areas. The ring spanner grips the edges of rusted bolts and nuts better without damaging them. It has 6 points of contact with the fastener, while the open end one only has 2. Ratchet combination spanners. The tool's ring head isn't offset from the shaft. The ratchet ring head allows you to work with fasteners without repositioning the spanner. The disadvantage of the tool is that its uses are limited. It has very thick walls. Deep offset ring spanners. This tool has an offset angle from the handle. This makes it possible to work with hard-to-reach areas. Its main disadvantage is that it has limited uses due to the thickness of its walls. Flex head socket wrenches. The hinged part rotates 180 degrees, making it easy to work in hard-to-reach areas. Its main disadvantage is that its head has a limited depth. Tubular socket wrenches. The wrench is designed for working in tight spaces. Its main advantage is that it can be used universally due to its thin walls. Specialized wrenches. Flare nut wrenches. Handy for removing oxygen sensors. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Ratcheting flex flare nut wrenches. Specifically intended for brake pipes. Magnetic T-handle spark plug socket wrenches. Designed for installing and removing spark plugs. What to look for when choosing a ratchet wrench. One, the size, 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/4 of an inch. Designed for different torques and uses. 2, the material, it determines its durability. the quality of the ratchet head and the wrench itself. This will affect the tool's durability and efficiency. Four, extendable or flexible handle. They can be used for hard-to-reach areas.